Every time you press the gas pedal, thousands of tiny explosions happen inside your engine. Those explosions create the power that moves your car forward. But what actually happens inside an engine? Let's open it up and see. Every engine needs three things to produce power: air, fuel, and a spark. The process begins when fresh air enters through the intake system. Inside the cylinder, the piston moves downward. This creates a vacuum that pulls the air and fuel mixture into the combustion chamber. Once the cylinder is full, both valves close tightly. The piston now moves upward, squeezing the air-fuel mixture into a very small space. This compression makes the upcoming explosion far more powerful. At the perfect moment, the spark plug fires. A tiny spark ignites the compressed mixture, creating a controlled explosion that releases an enormous amount of energy. The explosion forces the piston downward. This is called the power stroke, the only stage that actually produces power for the engine. Modern engines have multiple cylinders. Each one fires at a different time, creating smooth and continuous power instead of a single burst. After the power stroke, the exhaust valve opens. The piston moves upward again, pushing the burned gases out of the engine. These 4 steps, intake, compression, power, and exhaust, repeat thousands of times every minute, producing the smooth power that drives your car.